and hello. Welcome to Diani Beach in Kenya. It is a glorious, beautiful morning in Diani. If this is your first time watching my content, welcome. I am a world traveler. I am currently doing a travel series in Kenya. I started my travels in Nairobi, filmed amazing content which is published on my channel. Hopefully, you will join my community by subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much. Right at the doorstep of the hotel on the beach, you will be approached by people who are selling tours, boat cruises, and also people who are selling souvenirs, bracelets, and so forth. I already bought my Kenya bracelet in Nairobi at the Maasai market. Today is not a good day for this activity. The weather is not the best and the sea is rough. Going to Kisite Island, we are going against the current. In fact, when I woke up this morning, I messaged my tour guide and asked if we should postpone the activity. But we decided to go ahead with today's plans. And this boat ride is scary. The more we go out into the ocean, the more it feels like a never ending roller coaster ride. I am seated at the front seat of the boat with two medical students. After passing the spot where people were snorkeling, the sea got really rough. One of them is telling us to relax because at this point I'm holding onto my seat, I'm grinding my teeth, and then I say a prayer. And I said, God, if you are here, please show me a sign. And then a wave came. Look at the guy seated next to me, how dry he is. He actually then turned to me and said, that was strange. That wave literally came for you. That's one thing I love about God. If you have a relationship with our Father, you know He has a sense of humor. After that, I just said to myself, God, you are very funny, and laughed it off. After all, it is water. I will get dry. How beautiful is Kisite Island? That scary boat ride was worth it after all. This boat ride was such a mirror for life. You know how sometimes you go on a journey and you encounter rough seas, big waves that you think will just wash you out to sea. You feel like your life is a never ending roller coaster ride. But let me tell you something, it ends. Oh, yes, it does. All of life's experiences are temporary. We spent approximately 45 minutes on the island and we only left because some members of the group wanted to leave. But it was enough time for those who wanted to snorkel to do so. My guide was just saying that during peak season, there is a shortage of boats at times to bring people across to Kisite Island. I guess I should be glad I came in June when it is less crowded and there aren't too many tourists. We are stopping for lunch on our way back to the mainland, and going back is much calmer and we are more relaxed. I am having chicken with rice and chapati for lunch. I wanted ugali, but there is no ugali. I am not a fan of seafood. is my last day in Diani Beach, and Diani surpassed my expectations. I love the environment, I love the climate, I love the people, I love the food, and I picked the right hotel to suit my needs. Thank you so much for watching until the end. Please don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe. Please take care of yourself. May God bless and keep you.